Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. A is a son of B, is married with C, whose sister D is married to E, the brother of B, how D is related to A. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here is a couple, and this couple has two sons. Here is another couple, and this couple has two daughters. And now let's follow the logic. A's son and A have to be one of these people. We don't know, gender is not specified, so A can be whether this person or this person. So A sons B, so let this male B is married with C, so C would be this female, and they are married, so we connect them with line like this. So A sons B is married with C, whose sister D, so C has a sister D, is married to E, the brother of B, is married to E, who is the brother of B. So E have to be this person. So again, what we see here? We see here two families. One family that has two brothers, another family has two boys, they are brothers. Another family has two girls who are sisters, and one sister is married to one brother, another sister is married to the other brother. So it's not very usual in cities, but probably when choice is limited, like in rural areas, we can find situations like this one. So now the question, how D is related to A. So, and this is D, how D is related to A. You know what I can do? I can add D here, so this is going to be the same person. So D here is the same person as D here. Now it's going to be much easier to tell the relationship between A and D. Again, A can be any of the parents of E, so we can say that if it is a mother of E, she would be mother-in-law of D. If it is going to be father, he is going to be father-in-law of D. And D would be daughter-in-law of A. It doesn't matter, sex here doesn't matter. So how D is related to A? So D is a daughter-in-law of A. So we circle answer B. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.